What if you can turn one color into any color like this? Welcome to AHA Productions, presenting you color change in Photoshop. Step 1. Selection of the color dress. We can select the dress by quick selection tool. You can also use other tools like pen tool, magic wand tool. Now go to select, then modify, then expand and set the radius around 2 to 3 pixels. Now double click on the selected area and click on the layer via copy or press Ctrl J. It will copy the selected dress into a new layer. Step 2. Adjust hue and saturation value. Select the dress layer and go to the adjustment panel and select hue and saturation. Make sure to click on this icon so that the adjustment will apply only to the selected layer. Now adjust the hue, saturation and lightning values according to the color you want. And this is the result we want, looking absolutely beautiful. So I'll be making this kind of tutorial of Photoshop. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, have a good day.